So what? So what if him diss me? It's okay. I still have my life. I'm still sitting here talking. So what? No, 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 no. I still have my life. You can go and stay there, but you want, if I did a you. If I did a you, so what? Do what you want to do. I'm doing what I want to do. And you know what you need to understand? And everybody hurt you if you hurt them back. For you have life. You still have life. You're still standing. You understand? So suppose you want to hurt back that person and that person want to hurt you back, and you want to hurt back that person and that person want to hurt you back. That's a never ending hurting. Can lead to death. Who knows? Can be you, you feel like you're the baddest thing and you're the skillest thing. Sometimes something you have to let it go and move on. And then everybody hurt you have to hurt them back. Certain things a Lego man, make it go on. Suffer true.